Hello everyone, Zane with you, and today I'll show you how to connect Roku TV to Wi-Fi without remote. You're gonna need your Roku device, a cell phone capable of producing a mobile hotspot, a secondary phone running the Roku app, and you're going to need to know your home Wi-Fi name and password. In this video, I will use an iPhone, but no reason why this shouldn't also work on an Android. Power on your Roku device if you haven't already. It should say not connected. Next, get your hotspot enabled phone and go to settings, then go to general, then go to about or name, then go to personal hotspot and change the Wi-Fi password to your home Wi-Fi password. If it doesn't connect within 30 seconds or so, restart the Roku and do not forget to leave your hotspot active. Get your secondary device with the Roku app, find your home Wi-Fi name and connect your phone to it. It might connect automatically because you have connected before. Verify that Roku is connected on your secondary device. Open the Roku app and connect to your Roku. Test the connection, and if it works, happy streaming. And now that's all for our today's video. If you find it helpful, please support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thank you for watching and goodbye.